Hi everybody, Louise here. So I'm just sat in the, not really sure what you call it, is it the lobby of the hotel? So I've just finished my meal and a couple of glasses of wine, which has been nice in the bar/restaurant. So I'm just in the hotel part, so about to head up to my room shortly, but I just thought I would just do a very quick live. So I'm just going to try, and I'm not sure which button I press here. I think it might be this one. So this is just the hotel lobby. So just in the Hilton at the moment in Florida. So it's okay. I've been in nicer places, but it's okay. So that's where I've just been eating, had my wine, and then just reception, and I'm just sat in this part here. So I'm just going to flick my screen around. So I thought I would just do a very quick live before I go back up to my room. I've got some very, very exciting news. So I put a post up on my Facebook earlier to say that if I got 100 comments, then I would share my exciting news. So today I've spent most of the day networking and doing my emails and catching up with people and setting up accounts and everything. And I went on to my emails today, and I'm just kind of like scrolling through, and I thought, oh, what's that? And I thought it was to do with the event in the next couple of days. And I'm absolutely ecstatic and excited. I got an email today from the CEO of the owner of the company, of the marketing mastermind that I'm going to on the 20th of this month, and they've actually invited me to stand on stage and tell my story. So I'm super excited to think that only 5 months into the industry I've been invited to stand on stage and tell people my story and speak for, I think it's about 10 minutes on stage. So I'm absolutely so honoured to think that they've actually requested that I do that. So that's my exciting news. So I just thought I would kind of like just do a little quick live and share that with you. So yeah, I can't wait. So I've got to try and now think, I was like, shit, that's pretty scary, isn't it, to get on stage by yourself in front of an audience? But you've got to just push past that comfort zone and do it. So I was expecting just to be sat in the crowd watching everybody else on stage. And as you know, if you follow me, I've just been to Vegas for a marketing mastermind event, and I was obviously sat in the seats watching all of these superstars on stage. Then when I came to this one in Florida, I was expecting to sit there and watch all of the leaders again, and then to think now that I'm actually going to be the one on the stage and people are going to be looking at me. But the weirdest part about all of this is, if you followed me for a while, you'll know that I think it was last month I put a post on my Facebook. I kept seeing this vision while I've been doing my work at home. Not while I've been asleep, it hasn't been a dream, it's while I've been awake. But I've had this vision while I've been doing my work. You know, some days where you go into kind of like a daydream and you just sort of like sat and you're thinking about things. I kept seeing this vision of me stood on a stage talking to people. And it kept happening all the time, to the point where I did a Facebook post about it, I think it's about a month ago, and I said I kept having this vision of me standing on stage talking to like these people, and I got masses of like comments of everyone saying it's going to happen, it's a vision, and then now to think it's actually happening, I'm like, oh my god, it's just crazy, this whole experience of what's happening and how fast everything's progressing. And it's just, every time I think of something's going to happen, it happens. It's like I visualized my first 1k day, it happened. I visualized my first 10k month in internet marketing, it happened. I visualized being on stage, it's happening. It's like I visualized having like location freedom, and here I am in like Vegas and now Florida. It's just it's just crazy when you start to think that, you know, when you think about all these things that can happen in your life, they can absolutely happen. So let this be inspiration to you guys, and think, if you can imagine it up here, it can 100% happen. So I just wanted to just share my my little bit of excitement with you. So fingers crossed I'll be able to get it videoed and get some pictures and share it with you, and hopefully it goes to plan. I have my like little 10 minutes on stage telling my story, and hopefully it inspires, even if it just inspires like one person in that room, I'll feel as though I've done well. So I just thought I would just share this with you. So I'm going to go now. I'm going to have an early-ish night. Totally thrown with the whole time zones. Can't get into the whole time zones while I've been here at all. So I thought I'll have a fairly early night this evening, get up tomorrow. Fingers crossed some sunshine. It's been absolutely naff weather today. It's been cloudy all day. So I was expecting to be around the pool. I thought I'll be like a bikini-preneur today. I thought I'll be out sunbathing. I'll be networking from my phone around the swimming pool in my bikini. Woke up, it was pouring down, grey sky. So fingers crossed tomorrow will be better. If not, it's definitely forecast from Friday. So just seems weird to be in America and it being you know, just not sunny, because Vegas was boiling hot. So to think I've just left Vegas and I've come here and it's like pretty naff weather, I'm thinking please, I just want some sunshine before I go back to England. So yeah, so fingers crossed it'll be better weather tomorrow. So I'm going to go now and I'm going to read all of the messages when I get back to my hotel room. But I just thought I would share the exciting news, and I will speak to you guys later. Take care. Bye. Ooh.